saying, I've seen all of that. Do not worry. I know what I'm doing. I'm building you. I'm making things right. Remember what it says in his word. It says that you will now be planted in your own homes and no one will be able to uproot you. This is what he's talking about. I will restore your losses. I will restore and rebuild your ruins around you. Whatever is fallen around you, whatever walls are broken around you, whatever it is that has been breaking in your life, whatever it is that is stolen, whatever it is that is taken, whatever it is you've been failing trying to do, I will restore your life, your dignity, your strength, and I will give you joy and gladness. Because when God restores our lives, when he restores our names, when he restores our losses, this brings us joy.